In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio for all slides in PowerPoint, specifically catering to our Hindi-speaking audience. Whether you're preparing a presentation for an educational purpose, a business meeting, or simply a personal project, incorporating audio into your slides can make your content more engaging and dynamic. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have it installed, just find the icon on your desktop or within your programs. Opening PowerPoint will bring you to a blank presentation or one you've been working on. Next, you want to proceed to your PowerPoint presentation. This would be the specific file where you intend to insert audio. Ensure this file is already saved on your computer. Once you've done that, navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of the PowerPoint interface. The Insert tab is a vital feature as it allows you to incorporate various elements, including images, videos, and of course audio, into your presentation. When you're in the Insert tab, you'll notice an option labeled Audio. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in today is Audio from my PC. Selecting this option allows you to choose an audio file directly from your computer's storage. Now, this brings us to the browsing step. Carefully pinpoint the location on your computer where you have saved your audio file. Perhaps it's in your music folder or downloads, wherever it is, navigate there and select the desired file. After choosing your audio file, click on the Insert button. This will add the audio file into your presentation and you should see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This icon represents the audio file that you've just inserted. You're almost done. Now here's an essential part that ensures your audio plays throughout the entire presentation. Locate the audio tools at the top of the interface, specifically the playback settings. Within these settings, you'll find an option known as Play Across Slides. Be sure to check this box. By doing so, your audio will seamlessly play across all slides rather than restarting or stopping at each new slide. And there you have it, you've successfully added audio across all slides in your PowerPoint presentation. This feature can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your presentations, allowing you to convey your message with additional clarity and interest. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to save your presentation to ensure all your hard work is safely stored. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.